So you want to mash your affiliate URL links, huh? I don't think you mean like this though. But from this to this. Let me show you 3 free ways that you can clean up and mash your affiliate marketing links today. Yoo-hoo! So why would you want to mask your affiliate marketing links? 3 core reasons. Number 1, affiliate marketing links look very spammy. There's a lot of funny question marks and ampersands and all sorts of untrustworthy content in there. Number 2, the second key reason is that often if you've got all sorts of squiggly things in there and spammy looking links, then they can end up in your spam box if you're emailing those links, which is not good for your email marketing. The third reason, branding. You can't put your branding into all those spammy links, and you really want your branding as part of your affiliate marketing strategy, I'm sure. So there's a lot of value to basically mask and make your URLs look really pretty. Yoo-hoo! Whoa! Hey, this channel is all about helping you get to the top as an affiliate marketer and stay there. I cover a mix of business, inspiration, and tech. So let's dive in. Let's have a look at the 3 key ways of how you can mask your URLs and make them look nice and pretty. Yo, let's go! Okay, 3 ways, all for free of course. If you're using WordPress, pretty links. Outside WordPress, Getters.at. And the good news is that basically this module is going to be linked directly into Affyboy.com very soon. If you don't know about Affyboy.com, then go and check out the description below. It's your affiliate marketing program that allows you to manage all your links. The third one, if you're using WordPress, the Redirection plugin. So let's have a look at Pretty Links. It's a plugin for WordPress, so you just need to install it. So standard, basically add new and Pretty Links and away you go. So we've already got this installed in our system, so let's just dive straight in. Before we do that, let's come to the dashboard, and you can see here that you can actually have a shortcut menu. Type in our target here. And if we've got a bit of clutter at the end, which we often have on affiliate links, then here down here we can give it our own name. And that's it. Now this is tied to our branding, Getters.at in this case, but of course this is tied to any website that you want to run this link off. And we click on create, away it's done, away it goes, there it's done. Let's have a look at that, Crunchlets. Affyboy, yoo-hoo! Pretty simple, huh? If you want to use the pretty links directly from the interface, add new, and you can plug them all in here. There's the temporary target URL. Here's the pretty link that it's going to generate, and they put the code in here like Affyboy. Under the advanced, you've got some extra options, and then they do have a pro version of this, and it's got a few different features, so it's really worth it. If you're a rock solid affiliate marketing, you're doing a lot of stuff, a lot of links, I do recommend the professional version, because you get some extra stuff in here which allows you to do better masking and better statistics, so I highly recommend that. So the second way, using Getters.at. This is a URL shortener. So you can come in here, Getters.at, add your link, and let's pick up that one here. Boom, 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 and do it. Yay! You don't need to be registered, you don't need to be logged in, and there you go. There's your link. We can just copy it and then basically use that, and it's going to work straight away. Yahoo! Isn't that great? The only disadvantage right now of using Getters.at is that the URLs are not brandable. That is a work in progress, and basically they're actually going to be upgrading this module pretty soon, so you can actually have brandable links, but that will be a paid feature. But these links are free, and they will be free forever, so you've got a free option here. And the beauty of using Getters.at is basically it's like a sort of a branding like Getters.at here. So it's a nice little way of actually making a link more personable. So let's have a look at the third one. The third one is using the Redirection plugin. I've already got it installed here. To use this, come into the Tools menu over here on the left, go down to Redirection, and down at the bottom here, we can put our source URL in here, crunchlets.com/Affyboy. And then down at the bottom, target. So I've just copied and pasted that. Click on Add Redirect, and there it is, it's installed it up at the top. I can check the redirect by clicking on the check redirect option, and it should tell me if it's working or not. Yahoo! And notice it's automatically put it as a 301 redirect, which is a permanent redirect. Let's see if it works. Yay! So if you haven't got Affyboy.com, you just come in here and basically click upon the sign up, enter your details, and it's free to rock and roll and get up and running. And you should give it a go and sign up. I've created a video about Affyboy.com. Check it in the description below to watch that. It's really worthwhile. It's a couple of minute video to show you basically how to use it, and gives you a spin around the system so you know what it will offer you and the value it will give you. Yo-ho! So that's it. Yay! Woohoo! So you thought you escaped, huh? Not that lucky. Hey, hopefully you got a lot of value from the video today. If you did, you know what to do. Yo-ho! Hey, check out this video over here. It's about Photopea. Photopea is a free image editor, a bit like Photoshop, but totally free. So highly recommended. Use it on your mobile phone. You can use it on the run. Really good. Check out that video now. Short, sweet, sweet as a pea. Catch you in the next video. Yoo-hoo!